Welcome back, Ayesha. Yesterday, we talked about what Halloween means and where it comes from. Today, let's talk about something fun, preparing for the Halloween party. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher, I am very excited. I like parties, and I want to learn how to talk about them in English.
That's a great attitude, Ayesha. So tell me, how do you prepare for a Halloween party? What do you do first?
Hmm. First, I think about my costume. I decide what I want to wear. Maybe I will be a witch this year.
A witch. That sounds fun. So you say, first I decide what to wear. That's a good sentence. Let's repeat it slowly for pronunciation. I decide what to wear. Can you say it?
I decide what to wear.
Very nice. You said it clearly. Remember, in decide, the C sounds like an S. So we say decide, not decide. Now, what do you do after choosing your costume?
After that, I buy decorations for my room. I like pumpkins, spider webs, and lights. They make the room look spooky.
Spooky. Good word. It means a little scary but fun. Can you say spooky slowly?
Spooky.
Excellent. The double O in spooky sounds like oo in moon. So we say spooky, not spocky. Now let's make a full sentence. My room looks spooky.
My room looks spooky.
Wonderful. Your pronunciation is improving, Ayesha. So after decorating your room, what do you do next?
I make snacks. I like to cook small things for my friends. Maybe cookies shaped like ghosts.
Oh, that's creative. So you say, I make snacks for my friends. Let's learn a useful phrase. I prepare snacks for my friends. It sounds a little more natural when talking about parties. Can you say it?
I prepare snacks for my friends.
Great job! The word prepare means get ready. And your grammar is correct. You used for my friends, not to my friends. Many learners make that mistake. We say give to, but prepare for. For example, I give cookies to my friends, but I prepare cookies for my friends.
Oh, I understand now. Give to and prepare for. Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. You're learning fast. Now, tell me, who are you inviting to your Halloween party?
I will invite my classmates and my cousin. They also like Halloween.
Very nice. You can say, I'm inviting my classmates and my cousin to the party. This is called the present continuous tense, and we often use it for future plans. For example, I'm inviting my friends. I'm cooking snacks. I'm decorating my room.
Oh, so I'm means I am? And we use it when the action is happening now or soon?
Exactly. You got it right. When you say, I'm studying English, it means you're doing it now. When you say, I'm planning a party, it means you will do it very soon.
That's easy. I'm learning grammar and having fun too.
That's the best way to learn, Ayesha. Learning with fun. Now, what music will you play at the party?
I think I will play happy songs. not too scary. Maybe some English Halloween songs for kids.
Good idea. You can say, I will play fun Halloween songs. Now, a small pronunciation tip, the word will. Say it softly. I'll play. Try to say it together, not I will play, but I'll play. That's a contraction. We use it in natural English conversation.
Oh, so I'll play means the same as I will play?
Exactly. It's the same meaning, just faster and more natural. You can practice this. I'll invite my friends. I'll decorate my room. I'll wear a witch costume.
I'll wear a witch costume. Wow, it sounds smooth when I say it like that.
Yes, that's natural spoken English. Now, Ayesha, what about your feelings? How do you feel before the party?
I feel excited, but also nervous. I want everything to be perfect.
That's a very real feeling. So let's practice the sentence. I feel excited, but also nervous. Say it slowly, focusing on the pronunciation of excited. It has three parts, X, Psi, TED.
I feel excited, but also nervous.
Beautiful pronunciation. Grammar note. After feel, we use adjectives like happy, excited, or nervous. We don't say, I feel excitement. We say, I feel excited. That's a very common grammar mistake.
I understand. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel excited.
Exactly. Very good. Now, Ayesha, let's talk about how you greet your guests when they arrive. What do you say?
I think I will say, welcome to my Halloween party.
Perfect. That's polite and friendly. You can also say, I'm so happy you came, or I'm glad you're here. These are natural ways to greet friends in English.
Oh, I'm glad you're here. It sounds warm.
Yes, it's friendly and natural. And the pronunciation tip, when you say your, it sounds like your, not you are. So say it together. I'm glad you're here.
I'm glad you're here.
Excellent. You're speaking clearly and smoothly now. Do you see how practicing slowly helps you sound confident?
Yes, teacher. When I speak slowly, I can think better and speak better.
Exactly. Fluency doesn't mean fast. It means speaking naturally and clearly. That's how English becomes easy.